Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's front bumper for Dodge's 09 to 18 Ram 1500. Step 1. Remove your vehicle's grille and existing front bumper. Step 2. With a die grinder or similar, round out the shown hole to fit the included nut plates. Followed by inserting the plates as shown. Screw on the included plastic washers to help affix the plates. Step 3. With the help of a friend, hold the bumper up to the frame and secure the outboard nut plates with the included washers and nuts with an 18mm socket. Step 4. Install your winch of choice onto the winch plate as shown. With the remaining hardware, lift the winch up to the inboard nut plates and secure it. Followed by installing the included flange head, bolts, and nuts with a 15mm socket. Finally, install the trim accents as shown with the small nut plates and nuts. Reinstall your grille, and you're done.